Hello my people, welcome back to the channel. My favorite Evo is back. Mitsubishi Evolution 6 CP9A010. This particular model, look at that, is almost like new because we already refurbished most of the parts including the engine, the gearbox and the paint of course is in blue. It looks cool, right? But anyway, let's check out the spec, what we have done to the car, and let's go. Let's start from the front end. Look at the face. This is completely stock, and the reason why I love Evo 6 more than any other Evo because the fender is wider. Look at that. Performance car need a flare. It looks more aggressive, and then everything is stock bumper, stock head fog light, and then look at the headlight. It's almost like brand new, already refurbished. This one, and then of course the paint is brand new, and then look at that huge intercooler. Other than that, few air scoop around here, just stock Evo 6, and I think it looks freaking amazing. This is something I love about the old car. It looks more angrier than the new car. The new Evo doesn't look like this, don't they? Right, let's move to the wheel spec. Alright, the front wheel spec. Everything is stock. This is Aussie Racing 17-inch, come with Michelin Privacy 4. And then stock Brembo brakes. There is Evo 6 brakes, but upgraded to Project New. You can tell the color, that is Project New color. It looks great, and then look at that. I love the detail of this car, it's amazing. Alright, the rear end, I love it. The wing at the back is awesome. Alright, let's go. Alright, look at that, my favorite part of Evo 6. Still the same spec, 17-inch Aussie Racing, but this one is Brembo 2-pot. Stock this, but look at that, amazing look. And then look at this. I love the rear end. Alright, let's check out the rear end, the best part of the car. Look at this. By the way, it's raining all the sudden. Malaysian weather is weird, so sunglasses off. It was hot earlier, but anyway, look at the coffee table. Double layer coffee table. Looks amazing. If you're driving, you can see from your rear window. You can see a huge wing at the back. But anyway, stock headlights. But this one is not stock. This one is Ganado exhaust system. It sounds pretty good. It really bring out the 4G63 engine, 2-liter engine. The turbo noise is amazing. Later on, I will start up the car and then we can have a listen to it. Right, let's go. Look at that. Actually, I don't really need to talk about the rear seat, but it matched with the front seat. It looks like brand new. But anyway, the point is, I just want to tell you that Evo actually a family car, but I don't know that. It looks amazing. This is Alcantara, the bucket seat is here, and then the leg room is good. You can fit 2 baby seat here, no problem. Your wife will be happy if you buy this car. Alright, let's check out the cockpit. My favorite seat in the car. Alright, look at this. Usually, most Evo 6, the seat condition, especially on the driver's side, is worn off. But this one still look like new. It matches front and back because it's already replaced. It comes with stock steering wheel, Evo 6 steering wheel, but this is carbon fiber over here. I like the driving position of this car, very driver focused. And then the Defi meter here, this is the boost meter, and then this is the ZD meter. You can tell whatever happened in the car. And then other than that, it's stock. It does come with Blancpain radio, but let's not talk about it. Radio is not important on this car. Alright, let's check out from the other side. Alright, so from the passenger side, you can tell, look at the conditions of the dashboard is amazing for the 1999 cars. So the boost meter is over here, the ZD meter over here, and then this carbon fiber again, and then the G-ready turbo timer is over here. And then this is the least important thing in this car, a radio. And then this is the most important thing of this car, 5-speed manual. So anyway, if you ask about the mileage of this car have, I mean, it's 1999, it's 25 years now, so it got a new heart. So we replaced the old engine with the new Evo 6 engine, so the mileage is not accurate anymore, but basically it's almost new. But anyway, let's check out the 4G63. Let's go. Let's pop the hood. Evo 6, they have a little room here that you can put your hand up and then just pull to the left, and then that's it, the heart of the engine. Right, let's go, let's check it out. Ho ho ho, look at that 4G63. I grew up with this engine. So basically, this is the new engine. This is the stock engine for Evo 6, but the transmission came from Evo 6 RS. The rear axle comes from Evo 6 RS, and also the gear transfer is also from Evo 6 RS. But the rest is stock, as you can tell. Everything is stock. I don't need to explain one by one. This one also stock. This one is from Mines, and then it comes with suspension. It's TN. I love TN. I have TN in my own car also. Great. It's adjustable. You can go soft or high or whatever you want. The radiator is stock, the intercooler is stock, and that's it. Nothing much change. This is a modern classics. Evo 6, Evo 6 Tommy Mäkinen is better to keep it stock. But what a lovely power machines. This is what makes Mitsubishi wins the rally championship back in the days, and everything is stock. Alright, cool, right? Let's wrap up this. I must say, since it's stock, the power it produces is 280. It does come with engine management, Haltech 550, so most probably after the Ganador exhaust system, it can do around 300 horsepower. But I love it stock. You can appreciate the car stock. And then the clutch is a little bit heavy, but you need a heavy clutch for this kind of car because you can feel the kick. Even your wife can drive it actually. Let's give it a little bit. This first gear. Take it easy. Wow, the blow-off valve is also stock. There you go. The brake is good. The brake is stock Brembo from Evo 6 with Project Mule disc. I love it. It's great. The car is lightweight. This is Evo 6, a classics Evo 6. So it's 4-wheel drive. Today is raining a little bit, but I don't need to be scared because this Evo, the 4-wheel drive system is very good. So I don't need to be Max Verstappen to drive in the rains. But I'm sure you want to hear the Ganador exhaust system from the back, right? Alright, let's go to the back. Alright, let's wrap up the car. So basically everything is refurbished with original Evo 6 and Evo 6 RS for the gearbox and also the axle, and then the engine is Evo 6 standard. So now it's producing on paper, of course Mitsubishi produces 280 horsepower, but this one is equipped with Haltech 550, so maybe you have more to around 300 horsepower. 4-wheel drive of course, and then Mines strut bar, TN suspension, high-low soft hard, and then everything is stock. Intercooler is stock, radiator is stock, but they have the heat shield over here around the turbo. The turbo is also stock. Everything is basically stock. And then the interior is everything is stock, which is lovely. This is a modern classics car, so keep it stock. It's going for sale, so all you need to do is just contact me up here. So you can reach me in WhatsApp. I prefer WhatsApp. If you use email, I receive too many emails daily. So do contact me on WhatsApp and then give me a call too. But other than that, it's raining now. It's getting gloomy. I mean, the car looks amazing under the rain, right? Take a look. The Championship Evolution 6.